Big Lou BBQ and other things I want to do. I'm Big Lou, and this is what I've got going on for you. You may notice that it's dark. That's because this is a weeknight meal. Now I get home in the evening, got kids doing things and ball practice and stuff, and it's already dark. I don't want to go through a drive-through. I want to get my grill thrill on. Well, what can I grill quick on a weeknight? Well, you can prep this food and make this sauce in about the time it takes your charcoal chimney to get going good, all right? It doesn't take long. We're gonna use some chicken thighs, and I'm throwing some Alabama white sauce. That Alabama white sauce is really good stuff, but I'm from Louisiana, so we're gonna put a little Louisiana twist on it, all right? Also got some mixed vegetables on the grill as well. Big Lou BBQ. All right, to prep these boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2-part soy sauce, 1 part Worcestershire sauce, and rub it all over the chicken, all right? Now, I did trim a little bit of the fat and extra skin off that was still hanging on some of the pieces, but most of them were in pretty good shape. That's paprika. Don't put too much. A little goes a long way with chicken. That's onion powder. Don't put too much. A little goes a long way with chicken. And the rest of that was garlic powder. Don't put too much. A little goes a long way with chicken. And that's about all I did to prep them for the grill. Let them sit there for about 30 minutes or so till I got the grill set up and the charcoal chimney lit. And I made some Alabama white sauce. You got to have a redneck spanking spoon to make Alabama white sauce. I told you I'm a Louisiana fight, so that's Blue Plate mayonnaise. Blue Plate's made in New Orleans. All right. And to that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of black pepper's coming in there too. All right, just plain black pepper. I don't need to fresh crack it or anything. That's a tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And now we're going to add in some cane syrup, Louisiana-made cane syrup. If you don't have that, maybe molasses. Now, this did darken up the white sauce a little bit, gave it a gold color, but you know, gold's a pretty color on football teams and stuff, right? And we put in some Tabasco sauce, whisked it together, and my wife and I thought it was a little off, so we added 3/4 teaspoon of white sugar, and then I poured it up into one of those plastic squeeze bottles. Now, let's get the grill thrill on. All right. That is a foil packet full of mixed frozen vegetables. I threw in a fresh sprig of rosemary, drizzled on some olive oil and some Cajun Creole seasoning, wrapped it up in a tight foil pack and popped it on the grill just like that. Those are the chicken thighs. Now this grill is actually Sam's Club brand grill, the Members Mark. I was in Sam's Club with my mother a while back, and I was looking at the cast iron grates. I thought those are pretty neat. She says, "You want the grill?" And I was like, "No, I want the grates." Well, she put the grill in the buggy, and the next thing you knew, we were walking out with it, and it was mine. So, hey, thank you, Mom. I really like the way those cast iron grates sear up the meat and put pretty hash marks on the meat without having to turn them a 1/4 turn if you had just straight bars, you know. I laid them all on there, and then after about 10 minutes or so, I flipped them. I'm not going to show you me flipping them. It'd just be rude to flip the bird on YouTube, you know. But then they were done. They looked like that when they were done. You see those pretty crosshatch marks from that cast iron grate? I really, really like it. Man, they were delicious too. And that's what they look like on the underside, so I'm just showing you that they weren't burned at all there. All right. Get them all off, put them on this aluminum platter, carry them inside. Pick up that whole foil pack with the tongs too. It's just about ready. Man, they came out good, all right. It was nighttime. Your grill's been lit with a Coleman lantern, and you could hear dogs barking in the background and everything, but hey, man, I had fun getting my grill thrill on and didn't have to go through a drive-through, man. I got to burn some charcoal on a weeknight. It was a good meal. Here's a taste test. But before I do that, let me show you what's in the foil packet. Those tender vegetables that were thrown in with the rosemary sprig and some olive oil. Now let's plate it up.
All right, we'll start with chicken thigh. Just like that right there. Get that out the way. Take that sauce. You can hear the dog wanting to get in. He wants this stuff too. We're just going to drizzle it all over it like that. Let's try this. Fork tender. Look at that. Oh, y'all, you gonna see this?
Gotta have some more. Oh, that's good stuff. You'll like it. Easy weeknight meal, the grill. Big Lou BBQ.